Do you want to make money in your sleep? Literally, there are actually many ways you can make money in your sleep by setting up some passive income streams for yourself. In this video, you're going to learn how Ali Abdaal uses 9 different ways to generate $27,000 a week, probably earning even more by now since his video about this was published about 9 months ago. The link to his original video is in the description below, but you won't need to go there because we have it all summarized for you so you can shorten your watch time. Keep watching till the end to learn Ali Abdaal's hot tips for each method and how you can get started as fast as you can. Remember that passive income requires work to set up and maintain. What passive income means is that you can earn without being dependent on your time. In other words, you don't have to be actively working in order to earn. You can earn any time of the day. That's definitely my favorite way of earning online. My name is Online Money Girl, and I've been earning passive income online since 2013 by some of the ways we will be talking about today. Welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. Make sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell too to be notified the next time I upload a new money-making video so you can earn even more money online. And if you're already subscribed, thank you very much for your support. Okay, let's get started here. The first way he shares is investing in the stock market. Stop just saving your money in a savings bank account where you earn nowhere close to 0.5%. It's like 0.01% these days. Instead, if you invest in companies by buying index funds, like say, you can grow your money steadily, and it's the easiest way for a beginner to start investing. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not a financial advice. It's just for entertainment. So please ensure you can consult a professional before investing, and as always, there is risk in any investment you make. If you invest in index funds, you get a piece of a lot of different companies, and these are big companies you've heard of, which gives you much diversity. It's a safer way for beginners to invest in the stock market than buying individual stocks. You can easily get started on sites like webull.com or the Acorn app, or search for the best stockbrokers in your local area. If you find value in this video, be sure to let us know by smashing that like button and tell us in the comments which of these methods you're going to use in 2022. The second passive income idea is to start a YouTube channel like I have. This is not my only channel, and I can tell you that the videos live a long time on the internet and can make you money anytime, even years after you've uploaded your videos. How can you make money with a YouTube channel? You can earn in many ways, like ads being put on your videos to earn ad revenue. You can earn affiliate commissions by promoting other people's products or services, brand sponsorships, or selling your own digital products. Starting a YouTube channel is free, and it's available to anyone, anywhere in the world. All you need is your phone to start making videos on, and open a Google account so you can start a YouTube channel with your Google account. This one will be hard to maintain because you need to upload very consistently with your videos, and you'll need high quality videos in order for you to grow long term. The YouTube path is one that is well worth it, as you could be earning $100 per day if you're willing to put the work consistently for a long time to come. But if you don't want to have your face on YouTube or do videos, you can use the third passive income idea, which is starting a podcast. As this is very similar to a YouTube channel, this is much easier to start because you're only needing audio. However, you may be stuck promoting the podcast yourself since you can't grow a podcast with an algorithm. The best thing about having a podcast is that you may be able to earn quite nicely on ads and brand deals in your podcast, but you'll need to build an audience first. It's super easy to start. You just go to sites like Anchor.fm or Riverside.fm, and then use your phone as your microphone, and bam! You have a podcast. Your income is limited only to your imagination, as you can sell your own products through your podcast, as well as making you up to $1,000 per day. Ali Abdaal goes into the fourth idea about affiliate marketing, which is something I've been earning from since 2016. This is an awesome business model where you don't have to create any products or serve any clients. You just promote other people's products and services instead. You can earn as little as 1% for each sale you refer, or as much as 100% commissions on the front end product because the product owner knows that they will earn on the back end, so they give affiliates 100% of the smaller front end product. The best thing about affiliate marketing is not needing to have any customer service. You literally don't need to take any orders, fulfill any orders, or help any customers. Your job as an affiliate marketer is to get people to click on your affiliate link, and when they buy, you earn commissions. You can get people to click on your affiliate link in many different ways, like in a blog, YouTube, podcast, any social media account, and even forums. So you can start affiliate marketing for free or at a very low cost if you opt to start a blog, which has a very low startup cost. The next best thing, and coming in at number 5, is creating an online course. When you create an online course, you're showing people how to do something, and you will usually show this by using videos. This is something you create once and have a very low maintenance on it, like updates, but you can sell that over and over again after you create it. There are platforms like Skillshare or Udemy where you can upload a course and earn unlimited as long as you're in their platform. This type of passive income is great since there are already people on platforms like Skillshare who are wanting to learn and looking for courses to learn from. It's free to start if you just use your phone to record, and it's great for beginners. Number 6 passive income idea is creating digital products. This is very similar to online courses, but this also includes membership sites, PDFs, and basically all digital media. All of them are created once, and you can make money from them over and over again. You can use sites like Gumroad to sell your digital products very easily, and it's free, so it's a great way for beginners to start selling their own digital products. The next idea will have to take some time to build up because you'll need a larger audience for idea number 7, which is offering people a paid membership or community like Patreon, where you can provide your truest fans exclusive content and access to yourself. Memberships like that allow your fans to feel closer to you, and you can offer even more value to them. People do this with Facebook groups as well. You can start your own FB group where people pay a monthly fee to be in the group, and earning monthly recurring income is a huge plus. But in memberships like Patreon, you're not doing anything extra other than asking people to donate and support your channel, blog, or whatever platform you're on. Ali Abdaal also talks about the number 8 idea of creating an online business that has systems in place so that you can outsource your way out of being the operator of the business. Just like Tim Ferriss and his 4-Hour Work Week book, which talks about building a business that has systems where anyone can step in and do the job for you. With systems built, you can then be a business owner rather than being in your business. The last and final 9th passive income idea is having a website. When you have your own website and use SEO to rank on Google, you can receive many visitors on your website for free. Building a blog website does take time and requires a bit of cost like hosting, but once you're all set up, all you have to do is build helpful content to your audience who are already searching for your content. Your website can earn by having ads on your site, sponsored posts, your own products, commissions from affiliate marketing, and a digital course or membership. The sky's the limit, so you're only really limited by your imagination when you have your own website. And those are the 9 passive income streams that Ali Abdaal uses to generate himself $27,000 per week. But it was not built overnight. It has taken him years to get to this point, and obviously well worth it. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of these types of money-making videos. Be sure to let us know what your favorite method out of these 9 in the comments below, and ask questions you may have of any of these methods. As always, thanks for stopping by my Online Money Girl channel, and I'll see you in the next one.